is Vince STICCA. I'm Director of Training at the Chicago Regional Council of Carpenters. And today we have one of our apprentice carpenters that is actually finishing up his last week and is on his way to become a journeyman. He is going to tell you a little story about how he got involved in our program and how it has changed his life. So, Tremain, I'm going to let you explain to our audience the opportunity that you have for a lifelong career.
Thank you. Thank you, Mr. Stiffer. My name is Tremain Leggans, third-year apprentice carpenter, soon to be fourth year. This is my final week of class. I'm in Carpenter's Local 10, and I want to share my story. I'm a South Chicago native, South Side, born and raised. After high school, I went to the military. I was in the United States Navy, CV. I was an electrician, construction electrician in the service. Served 2 years, got out, and worked for a small electric company, but I wanted to be in a union. At that time, the electricians weren't accepting applications, but I had went to back then it was the unemployment office, and filled out a trades card, and I put carpenters as one of the trades. And they called me, I came and tested, and was accepted into the program as a PA. Went through the program and became a first-year apprentice carpenter. But I had a stump, ran into a roadblock, made a bad choice, and went to prison for 22 and a half years. But throughout my prison bit, I went to college, took all kind of classes, got an associate's degree, took vocational classes, got vocational certificates. Throughout my bit, I had kept in contact with the apprenticeship program to see if they would accept me once I finished my bit. And I would always get letters saying that when I was released from prison, to send a letter so that they could set up a hearing date. Well, in 2017 in December, I was released, and for the first 3 months it was hard. I was in the halfway house, and I would always look for work every day for those 3 months. I would walk. I was in the suburban halfway house, so I would walk till I walked holes in my shoes trying to find a job. And then one day I just said I would send a letter to the apprenticeship, and I got a response from them saying that they would set up a hearing date. I had a hearing, and Mr. Toonpop, assistant coordinator, had held the hearing. He asked me, why do I want to get back into the union? And I told him I love construction work. If I may backtrack, when I was in the service, that was my first introduction into construction work. So that's when I fell in love with construction. Going forward from there, after I paid my dues, I had to take some classes to get my scaffold cards and my CPR card and things of that nature. And I got caught up with those classes, but I continued to take classes, even after that, skill advancement courses, so that I could catch up on my skill set, because I was way behind. And I wanted to do good, because we are professionals. And as professionals, you know, we stand out and we stand above all others, non-professionals, non-union. I'm I'm proud to be a union carpenter. And so, like I said, I continue to take skill advancement classes along with my regular training courses. And over time, my skill set has evolved. I still am challenged with classes, but I don't quit, I don't give up, because I know that I can do it. I've come too far to go back, and it's been a rewarding career. I just really enjoy knowing that I'm contributing to society and not taking away. You know, I enjoy being able to ride past a project or a building that I've worked on and saying I assisted in that. I assisted with my fellow brothers and sisters in carpentry to build this building. It's just wonderful. And I'm like speechless. I don't know. I think about where I come from, and you know, I think about what's going on in Chicago right now with the youth. And if I'm able to make it, I know that they are able to make it if they give themselves a chance, an opportunity. You know, when I think about the contractors, and you know, I appreciate them giving me opportunity. Co-construction, I appreciate you giving me the opportunity to prove myself. And every day I try to bust my butt, so I won't let no one down. The benefits of being a professional union carpenter is amazing. You know, we get health insurance, dental, eye insurance, and even other fringe benefits such as the Union Plus app. I had bought a 2017 Chevy Equinox off the Union Plus app and got a discount just because I'm a union member. You know, being a union member comes with benefits that non-union members don't get, non-union carpenters don't get. You know, and just having that camaraderie amongst the brotherhood, the sisterhood amongst one another. You know, we get a pension to look forward to, an annuity upon retirement, and these things can help you in your career and even after your career as a professional union carpenter. If I get sick, they have a facility in Lisle, Illinois, where I'm able to go to strictly for card-carrying professional union carpenters, and they'll take care of me, whatever my medical needs may be. And also, you know, the pay is phenomenal. Coming from where I come from, you know, I don't have to look to the streets for finance. I don't have to look to the streets for income. I just do my 40 hours or more if there's overtime, and it's just a good feeling to know that I've worked hard for the pay that I receive. And you know, that money I put away. I put away for other things that I may want to do in the future. Being a professional union carpenter is just so many doors that opens. You know, we build more than buildings. We have millwrights, we have power drivers, we have concrete form builders. You can do so much in this trade that it is mind-blowing. Then the facility, the apprenticeship training center that we have here in Elk Grove. When I first started in the 90s, it was a small facility, but when I came, I'm always amazed when I come here, seeing the work and the displays and just how vast it has become over the years, how it expanded the program, how the program has expanded. It just amazes me, you know, and they still have a shop out in Chicago, and the night classes that they offer. It's challenging, you know. I take advantage of those classes because it'll help me as I continue in my career. My training doesn't end after I become a journeyman. Every day should be training as a professional union carpenter. And I encourage my fellow carpenters, whether they be apprentices or journeymen, to come on and sign up for these CSAP classes. You know, take advantage of them. And not only do I take CSAP classes or skill advancement courses, but I'm also a college student. I'm trying to get my associate's degree in construction management, so that when my body gets tired, I can use my mind in the office or something to continue on in my career. This is a trade that I really love, and I'm willing to do all that I'm able to do to continue in this trade and to go as long as I'm able to go.
Awesome. Thank you. Thank you very much. Appreciate it.